What is up, guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading down to Santa Barbara Ducati to do some more carbon installation on our 2020 S1000RR. We have a massive box back there of carbon, all from full 6 carbon that we got through Manny at Moto Million, and we're just going to start installing some pieces today. So I think I want to start with the belly panel and install other pieces that we're going to be painting, because we need to test fit everything, as I mentioned in the last video. So yeah, we're just gonna, it's gonna be a lot of, we gotta unbox all this stuff, find out which parts we need and everything like that. So yeah, we're gonna try and do the belly panel today, and then maybe do some more side fairings and stuff like that, and we'll see how it goes. So let's get down there and take a look at this freaking carbon. I can't wait. All right, so we've arrived at Ducati of Santa Barbara, and we're just gonna start unboxing carbon. I already did a couple of the pieces. So we have the rear fender. It looks absolutely stunning. Look at that.
Great carbon.
It really is.
Beautiful.
Full 6 did a hell of a job.
So much better in person.
Yeah, than it comes across on video. But that's one of the side fairing pieces, wraps around the tank. Look at that. Good God. It's funny, in the past I wasn't a huge fan of gloss. I'm really glad Manny talked me into doing gloss, because I think it looks really, really nice. We also have the carbon chain guard right here. Look at that thing. It's beautiful. And that's the other side piece that wraps around the tank. Just looks so good. What piece is that? We don't even know. Oh, that's the swing arm cover right there. So this is gonna go on the swing arm. God, that is absolutely stunning.
Beautiful.
That's one of the pieces we can actually put on and leave on. So we'll wait until, wait, what the hell is that? Oh, the other side. So that one goes on the other side. Yeah, that one goes over here on that. God, this is gonna look.
There's not enough room in here for carbon.
I know, there's gonna be carbon everywhere. This is like $8,000. This is like, that's the front one. This is like $8 grand worth of carbon, maybe more. This is ridiculous. Look at that thing. You gotta put it on. You have your glasses on, your sunglasses.
For Dotto.
Look at that.
The mud hugger Dotto.
We miss you, Dotto. He doesn't watch my videos. Yeah, it covers the ECU.
I like that.
Look at that.
6.
Oh, I like how it says full 6 on there.
It's really pretty.
That's really nice. Look at that. This bike is gonna look so ridiculous.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that's getting painted.
I could throw.
Yeah, that's getting painted blue.
Like something Batman would have.
Oh, so actually I want to ask your opinion, guys. For the paint, when I paint this, should I make it so that you don't see any carbon under it, or should I have it be like slightly see-through? Not faded, just like slightly see-through. I don't know, because I don't think I'm painting enough to do that. See, I don't even know where that goes.
So many little pieces.
No idea what this is. That's honestly, that's one of my only issues with this bike. Like when I've done the full carbon Ducatis, there's only like 7 pieces of fairings. This is ridiculous. There's like 30 pieces or more.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's actually a frame cover. I was wrong. Look at this. We have to be really careful. We don't break one of these. Wow. That is crazy looking. Damn. Okay. All right, so finally we got a side fairing. It looks like a dolphin or something. And actually we're gonna get the turn signals. I wonder if, I'll have to ask Manny if you can use the BMW Rondell turn signals with this fairing or not. I'll have to ask Manny. I think we want to use the BMW symbol turn signals that are built into it. That would be really cool. We'll have to see. We haven't even got, yeah, this is Manny in full 6. There's the other side panel. God, that looks so incredible. Look at the quality.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, that's insane. We still have yet to get to the pieces I wanted to do today, which was the carbon belly panel. This is ridiculous. Oh my God, we haven't even got to the piece I wanted to install. Is that it? Oh, there's more.
Before we get there, here's a little one.
Oh, that's cool. I think that's, I'm not even sure what that's for. Oh, that's the front sprocket cover.
I see it.
Yeah, this is what we needed. Uh-oh. Thank God it didn't break. Dude, this is huge.
Big belly panel.
Holy crap. That is crazy how big that is. Dude, I've never seen a carbon piece this large before. Wow, look at the gills in the back of it. That is what we were here for, folks. Turn it over so I can see the carbon. There we go. Wow, that's incredible. Dude, okay. That's insane. Wow. Yeah, that's gonna completely change the look of the bike. Okay, so we're gonna definitely test fit that today. That'll be our goal. Wow. All right, so now that we're just surrounded by full 6 carbon, just freaking everywhere. This is gonna be so much work, guys. We're gonna start today. Our goal is to try to get all the belly panel stuff uninstalled and then install the belly panel and make sure it all fits. Manny's actually sending us full titanium hardware for every single fairing. So all of this is just test fitting. Obviously it's not gonna stay on. We don't even have the right bolts yet. So yeah, it's gonna be a process, guys. But hopefully this bolts right up and fits perfectly. We'll see how it fits, because that's always an issue with carbon. So he started with the bolts in here on the inside. There was, I think, 3 of them, and some of these have different lengths, so he's just kind of keeping track of everything. Now he's doing all the bolts on the outside here. It's crazy how much bigger the carbon panel is, you know? It goes like all the way back to here. It's gonna cover up all that stuff. It's gonna look it's gonna completely change the look of the bike. Oh, I can't wait for this. All right, so it looks like we got all the bolts. Should just kind of pull right off now. And there you go. There's the one side off. Interesting. So you think we'll have to transfer over these tabs?
Just take it off.
Looks like just one right there. It's over here.
We'll also take the grommets too.
Yeah.
The rubber.
Oh yeah. The rubber grommets. We'll have to transfer those over as well. Smart move. All right, so just repeating the process here on the left-hand side. Taking out a couple bolts.
This might all fall in.
Yeah, it might actually. There's still one more in, so it might hold it in, or 2 more in actually in the back there. This is a really cool tool he has here. I was telling him I only have like tools that you have to basically use manpower for. This is nice. What is it, snap-on?
It's really fine.
Look at that thing. So dope.
It only takes a couple degrees to turn it.
Yeah, that's really nice, especially when you're doing fairing bolts. Take fucking forever. All right, so we got the left-hand side off. Look at that. God, those pipes look so good. Actually kind of feel bad covering those up. But okay, we're gonna do the same thing. Transfer some grommets and then a few clips, and we'll be good to go. All right, so we're just test fitting right now, trying to take a look and see how this fits. Well, actually, it all lines up.
That's impressive.
Dead on. Yeah, that's very impressive. And guys, check this out. Remember how I said it sucks that we're covering up the pipes? Nope, they made cutouts. So you can see the fucking pipes. Look at how sick that looks. And I love the gills down here that matches the gill up here. This is badass, dude. Look at that. Holy shit, folks. That looks so much better. It looks like a race bike. All right, so we transferred over the grommets, and now we can test fit it and actually install it. We won't need to put all the bolts on, but we'll get enough on here to make sure that it fits in the right spot and everything like that. Look at this, guys. It looks incredible. You wanna line up your side? Yeah, perfect. Toss one in and then we can, oh God, like, there's nothing better than titanium next to carbon. Like, those are my 2 favorite materials in the whole world. I'm so stoked right now. All right, so since the carbon belly panel went on so easily, I'm shocked right now. We figured why not just do the front fairing as well, or the front, what is this called? Mud hugger, whatever you want to call it. Mud guard, fender, yeah. So we're gonna get rid of this guy too. Get rid of this, we're getting rid of this paint scheme, boys. That's gone. This is gonna be nice. This will definitely save some weight. I think this is actually a little bit heavier than the stock pieces were. I'm not gonna weigh every single one of these pieces because it's just too much, but yeah, I'm not a fan of that at all, right? Yeah, it looks chintzy. Yeah, goodbye. I'm gonna miss you. Look at that, guys. Oh my, just sliding it on there. Because now you have carbon next to carbon, next to titanium. These rotors are gonna get replaced with T-drive rotors. We got BMW Brembo brake, I'm sorry, not BMW, Brembo brake calipers coming. Black ones are gonna be freaking sick. We're gonna be replacing the whole master cylinder up here, also with the Brembo Master. It's gonna be one hell of a bike, guys. I'm sad that I have to take so long to do individual episodes, so I just want to tear the whole thing apart and build it in like 2 weeks and be done with it, but patience is a virtue. So guys, Roy was just mentioning he's worked with a lot of carbon, and Illenberger has been for a long time pretty much the standard when it comes to carbon and fitment and quality and everything like that. He said this is some of the best fitting carbon he's ever installed.
It's like a finger in a bum.
Like a finger in a bum, baby. Perfect fit every time. All right, Teens is outside sunbathing. Now she's standing in front of the fan acting like she's a badass. Hey, what do you think? Teens, look how good that looks.
That looks really good.
Doesn't
I
it?
just want it all carbon.
I know, but look at that. That gives you a really good idea.
So
If you just
well
look,
with
yeah,
materials.
exactly.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
I like when I pick everything out and it works, you know? Because I have to do all of this in my head and then hope that it all comes together. But man, that's incredible. So I think the last thing we're gonna do for today is we're gonna take this apart and we're gonna swap out the front sprocket cover here in carbon, because that won't be coming back off. So right now we're just moving the quick shifter.
I just want to see.
Yeah. No, that's perfect. And then we can take this bolt out and slide that puppy off and get the carbon on there. And then I think next time what we'll do is we'll take apart the whole fairings here and we'll do all the frame covers and stuff like that, since they won't come back off. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So in order to get this off, there's one bolt at the top and then just like a little push pin kind of at the bottom there that pushes right in there. You wanna make sure you get that in because this is right next to the chain. You don't want that thing getting caught.
Oh, cool.
Looks actually really nice. I wish we could leave that off. Look how cool that looks. But I think it would throw too much grease around. God, that looks badass though. So we're not weighing all of these individually just because there's too many pieces and they're too small amounts to actually really tell, but it's definitely lighter. The only thing is about half. Yeah, it's about half the weight of this one. And I do have the total weight before the bike and we'll be weighing it afterwards too. But yeah, all of these carbon pieces are gonna add up to at least a few pounds just in like the fairings and all that kind of stuff. Not to mention the 4 pounds from the subframe, you know, 18 pounds from the exhaust, 3 pounds from the chain and sprockets. Yeah, it's gonna be a very light and powerful bike when we're done. Look how nice that looks, guys. Carbon right there, and you can see actually the chain through there and the sprocket. Fuck. They really thought this out when they built this carbon, you know, and they put those windows in the carbon in the right spots. That goes a long way. I love being able to see the mechanical pieces when you can, when you see stuff moving and shit like that. It's really freaking cool. That looks badass. So guys, we were just looking over here how this fills in this whole area. That was one of my issues with the exhaust when you take the stock exhaust off. And then Rory put the kickstand down. Look at the tolerances. It's perfect. It literally just sits there perfect. Man, they full six. You guys absolutely crushed it.
Hold on, guys.
You see this, Alex?
Hold on.
What's up, brother? Dude, look at, come over here. Look at the belly panel, dude. Doesn't that look ridiculous? And look, they put cutouts so you can see the pipes. Isn't that insane? And then look at the front fairing, or the front, this guy here. Woo. Doesn't that look incredible?
It's gonna be a cool bike.
Yeah, look at the carbon just laying everywhere. We finally unboxed it all. And Full Six messaged me today. They said the tank's done too. They're gonna send out the tank and the front fairing. So yeah, isn't this beautiful? Look at that. They put Full Six right here in the front. It's gonna be so incredible. All right, so I think that's where we're gonna stop for today. We got that belly panel test fitted. It looks incredible. Completely changes the look of the bike. We also got the front fender installed.
Mud hugger.
What?
Mud hugger.
The mud hugger. And then we're gonna do all the stuff back here on the next one. Probably just, we need to strip the whole thing apart because we realized that this attaches to this fairing. We already have different carbon ones. It's just, it's a lot to keep track of, guys. And to try to fit it into episodes for YouTube and for Patreon, it's a big pain in the ass. So I think we're just gonna strip it and start from the inside, work our way out from now on. So yeah, it's gonna make it difficult for me to market this thing, but hopefully you guys enjoy these episodes, watching me struggle, figure out how to make these videos interesting for you guys. But that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more. You can enter to win this on Patreon. It's always the first link in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next one.